Okay, here's the deal. I've given my deposition about 600 times in the last 40 years. In this short video clip, which is an excerpt from longer ones on my YouTube channel, I give you tactics and strategies to make you a better witness in your next expert deposition. Yeah, I know about 80% of them are routine, but listen up. You might pick up one or two that'll help you next time and set you apart from the pack. Expert witness testimony is sworn testimony given by a witness with sufficient background, education, and experience to legally qualify as an expert in his or her field. It is allowed in situations where the testimony will assist the trier of fact, a judge or a jury, in deciding an issue that is beyond the common experience of people. At the outset of this presentation, let me state a foundational premise of this video. The role of the expert witness in a litigation matter is to perform an unbiased, competent analysis in the expert's substantive field. Unlike the lawyer, the expert is not an advocate for the client or the client's desired opinion. The expert's ethical responsibility is to be an unbiased witness and to tell the truth. However, once the expert has competently derived the opinion, the expert becomes an advocate for that opinion, and the expert has a professional responsibility to successfully advance that opinion in litigation. That's the basis for the strategies and tactics presented in this video, and the expert's ethical and professional responsibilities outweigh any strategy or tactic of the expert's role in litigation. A deposition upon oral examination is a pre-trial discovery procedure used to obtain facts relevant to the litigation. The witness is asked questions under oath by an examining lawyer, usually in the informal setting of a conference room in the opposing attorney's office. The questions and answers are transcribed by a court reporter verbatim, and many times the deposition is videotaped by a certified videographer. Because of liberal discovery rules, almost any question can be asked during the deposition. While the official purpose of a deposition is to obtain relevant facts, the practical purpose of an expert deposition is broader. Recognizing that litigation is an argument, the deposing lawyer's objective is to obtain any information on the record that can be used to advance the opposing side of the argument at issue. This will include anything to discredit or disqualify the witness from testifying on an issue. For instance, statements of agreement to particular facts that benefit the opposing side, or concessions that the assumptions made by the expert are not perfectly supportable. Another purpose is impeachment of the witness. If testimony at trial is different from the deposition testimony, the witness can be impeached with the deposition transcript at trial. Finally, a deposition intends to solidify the totality of an expert's opinions during discovery, so the opposing side knows every conclusion the expert will testify to at trial. This last purpose is critical for the expert to understand, because failure to include an important opinion in the deposition testimony will likely lead to exclusion of the opinion at trial. Generally, a deposition is a losing proposition for an expert. This is critically important to understand. Remember, the deposing attorney is trying to obtain any information that can be used to discredit, impeach, or disagree with the expert's opinion. The expert should know the strategies and tactics of the deposing attorney in order to minimize the harm suffered in deposition. If you think any of these tips were worth your time, you'll really benefit from my treatise, Mastering the Art of Expert Witness Testimony. Think about it. It costs about 10 minutes of your professional billing time, and it deals completely with every aspect of managing your practice and testifying as an expert witness. Your clients deserve nothing less.
Brian Peter Brinig is an adjunct professor at the University of San Diego School of Law and managing director of the forensic consulting group of CBIZ, a national financial services firm. The strategies and tactics presented in this video presentation are discussed in complete detail in his treatise, Mastering the Art of Expert Witness Testimony, which is available by scanning the QR code on the screen or on Amazon.